crop plantation, crop fire connected near the river bank, farming land, where we found in the Bible. Matthew 13, verse 1 to 23. Mark 4, 1 to 20.
It's about the parable of the sower. On the side. This is hard soil. This is loam soil and clay soil. And we have a poem. Mungu aliumba mchanga siku ya tatu, mimea ni mchanga, miti ni mchanga. Asanteni.
Amen. Wacha watu waambie.
Okay. In front of you is the stones correction in a nature walk. Okay. As we walked along, we collected different types of stones. Number 1, we collected the common rocks, whereby number 2, we collected the travertine, semi-precious, and limestone. Those are the 4 types of stones we found along our in the field what we went. From there, we found that the stones were created on the 2nd day when God was creating the world. From the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 6. Also, we get that in Matthew, Jesus is used as the rock to represent his powerfulness in our lives today. And that is where we get that the church was built by Jesus, showing the symbolness of his power like a rock. Is referred to that in the book. Also, we are the living stone accepted by God. Also, the stones as its powerfulness, it is being used to symbolize the power of God as we human beings. God accepts the best stones, and sometimes the bad stones are being rejected. So the stones are important to our lives today. We use the stones for building our houses so that they can prevent us from wild animals, from floods and everything that is related to our lives. Also, we use the stones in decorations. When making different items or activities being presented, we use stones. Also, we collected the stones near the river bank, others in the field, others near the bushes, in the hills. Care for the stones. Stop misusing the stones and now by breaking them. We should maintain them and use them properly. Thank you. Then we learn about seeds. Number 2, we learn about seeds. Seeds collection. We found that seeds were created on the 3rd day. God created seeds on the 3rd day. And then we found avocado seed here, mango seed, tomato seed, and orange seed. And then we came across the Bible verses, Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verse 6. It says, do your sowing in the morning, and one better than the other. And then we came again, Matthew 13:3. We have seen that seeds are used in parables. A man scattered the seed and the different places. Galatians 6:7. You read so planted. We collected this in the field near the head. You are walking. Important of the seeds, we found that are used as medicine. Number 2, seeds as food, and even fruit. We plant the seeds, we get fruits, and fruits food. And then number 3, in seeds are used in the seeds are used to make oil. And then for our seeds, we found that we store in dry place. Number 3, water them when planted. Thank you.
Amen. Thank you very much for the wimbo. Good. Wako na wimbo. Tiki tiki maji, tiki tiki maji, haya matunda, aina ya matunda.
Mwamba, mwamba, Yesu ndiye mwamba.